cola since I was a lad.
Really? When was that?
Lunchtime.
What?
We are the Chopstick Gang, and welcome to the kitchen!
Trying to make cola?
Alright guys, so I just actually finished the Dr.Stone manga, and so they have a lot of scientifically accurate, science experiments you can do. Some of them I think are very highly illegal, I do not think we could actually try to make a lithium battery.
That's very understandable. Okay.
But we can make cola, and that was one of the first few experiments that I first saw in the anime. So it's pretty simple. So what we're gonna need is just these core base items. And so the history of cola is actually really fascinating. So soda has existed since the 17th century. Cola itself, though, is a very recent thing. The first cola was made in 1892 by a pharmacist from Georgia, John Stith Pemberton, using a mix of carbonated water and flavored syrup. The syrup included fluid extracts of coca, caffeine-packed cola nuts, and a sugar to mask their bitter taste. Marketed as a refreshment, but also marketed as a brain tonic and a cure for nervous afflictions, cola was born, and it was only sold for 5 cents. And this cola went under the name Coca-Cola, a name given to it by one of Pemberton's assistants. But it was really just a fountain drink all across Georgia until a candy maker, Joseph Bearderham, began bottling cola in 1894 and started to sell it and mass-produced it. So the big question is, what is cola and what makes it different from any other soda? So compared to sodas that were out, they didn't use common fruit products, but usually it's a darker, almost brown color from the caramel coloring agents, as well as the use of vanilla and spices as well. Nowadays there are different colas besides Coke, like Pepsi and RC, and all of them have changed their cola recipe from the original cola roots. And that's really just how cola was basically made and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Soda's really interesting. I don't drink it very often, unlike Jay, who apparently drinks it every day.
Every day at lunch or just...
Don't call me out.
So here's the ingredients we're actually going to need. What you will need is mainly cilantro. That's the big part of it. That's the flavoring. As well as a sort of citrus. We chose both lemons and limes, but we only used the limes for the video. A sugar base. We have honey or brown sugar, but we used honey for the video. And then club soda. So first, we take the leaves off of the cilantro stems. Then we zest the lime. Now take a stone and pestle and grind up the lime zest with the cilantro leaves. After it's a nice ground consistency, add some lemon juice from the zested lime to your concoction. Then grind some more. Once grinded, collect all the liquid that was from that concoction and try to put it in a small base. Now it's time to cook the honey. Put the honey on a hot plate and wait for it to almost have a burning sensation to it. But once it starts to cook, make sure to thoroughly stir it so it doesn't have any inconsistencies. Then once fully cooked, add it with your cilantro and lime juice. Then add about a tablespoon of that honey, lime, and cilantro juice into a bottle. Then add some club soda, fill it to the top of the bottle, and then mix it thoroughly. And there you have it, the Dr. Stone Cola, I think. We had this idea where we were gonna make all a lemon variant of this, but through the process, did not look like I imagined it. And,
Not at all.
I'm actually here. I'm gonna have a picture right by Jay of what the anime cola looks like. I showed a shot. It is not that. It is different, and we're about to taste it. And so,
Lord help us all.
we are good friends. Come on, guys. Jay, cheers.
Get your dirty dishwater
Cheers. Okay.
up. Here's to you.
Cheers to you.
Dear God.
I hate how much I kind of like this, actually.
It actually doesn't taste that bad. Like, I thought it was gonna taste like way worse.
Yeah.
It's
Alright.
okay.
I mean,
It's weird. I taste that cilantro. I'm like, this doesn't work as a drinkable thing.
I don't know.
I don't know. I
It
actually,
kind of feels like a
I'm not trying to be like a douche. I literally kind of,
honey on myself.
I taste the cola. I kind of taste the cola flavor. The more like I let it sit in my mouth.
Yeah, I can kind of see where I just
I got
switched it around a little bit.
Yeah, I kind of have it like, this is not as bad as I thought it would be.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It is definitely. You're not gonna finish yours.
I'm not gonna finish mine. No,
I
yeah,
keep
fuck
coming
yeah.
back because of the honey flavor.
I like the honey, but it's the cilantro with the honey. It's not mixed. It's like, no.
I feel like I shouldn't because we're gonna have more of these.
We're not like,
Oh.
cause like I feel like, cause the idea was we were gonna do like a lemon one, but like it just turned out not good.
Listen,
I was very like when we started this, the intro, I was very much like,
you thought it was gonna look like
Yeah.
actual cola,
yeah, I was very much like confident in my.
but this
You should do some
looks exactly like the remnants of the water in your sink when you get done washing your dishes.
Also, I genuinely think that like maybe we didn't burn the honey enough.
Yeah, possible.
Because I think it should be darker.
Yeah, it's.
It's not bad. Like.
Yeah.
These assholes here were like, oh, it's gonna be so bad. I'm really glad we're gonna do another video after this. And I'm
Look
just
at
like,
these things.
it's not bad. It's not good. It's not bad. It's okay. It's in the middle.
That's the thing, is that if you eat or drink with your eyes first, you're gonna look at this and be like, what the heck is this thing? This is gonna suck.
No, I still can't get past this. I love cilantro, but cilantro and honey with that just does not.
And after giving it a chance, it's alright.
It's alright.
Not bad.
It's
Solid
alright.
3
Yeah.
out of 10.
I was gonna say it was like a 4. I'm like,
I was actually gonna be really generous and give it a 5, just because I can actually stomach it. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens in like an hour.
I don't.
Joke's on you. Kian's gonna have 2 almost. You're having 1.
I technically had 3 because I had the first one.
Yeah, you took that taste test.
I took the taste test. Oh my gosh. Sorry that this was actually like, it's not a long video like others that we have, but yeah, no, that was, oh my god. Okay, so yeah, it's a 5 out of 10 drink from Zach, 3 out of 10 drink from Jay, and I'm in the middle. Like, it's not that bad, but it's not that good.
If you're really curious as to how this tastes, go ahead. We gave you a somewhat simple tutorial.
Yeah.
Well, the average of our scores is 5 plus 3 plus 4 is 12. Divided by 3, 4 is 4. So
Alright,
it's a
it's a
median
solid
score
4.
of 4.
Medium solid. It's a
It
solid
didn't pass
4.
the final exam.
It's an average. Hey, but thanks for watching us. Don't forget to do the like, subscribe, and share stuff. For more of our stuff, we're gonna be doing, more bi-weekly stuff. So check us out.
There's that cilantro taste. Oh,
That's what I was saying, that cilantro taste. That's